So there's a lot of studies out there that show how walking is one of the best exercises you can do to reduce your inflammation. In these studies, especially when you compare subjects who have a sedentary lifestyle, meaning they don't move around a lot, versus ones who are just simply walking each day, the inflammatory markers are significantly lower in the individuals who are getting out on walks. And that's pretty awesome news, because that means that people of all ages, all body types, all activity levels, all types of everything can get out, start walking, get healthier, and reduce their inflammation. So how does walking actually reduce inflammation though? So let's look at the science. So walking helps strengthen your cardiovascular health. It helps to keep your body fat percentage down, which means less obesity, less overall body weight to be carrying around. It helps you build muscle. It helps stimulate and promote good immunity. Plus, walking really helps with increasing the synovial fluid that's inside your joint. And so when your joint moves, synovial fluid kind of sloshes around in your joints, and that allows all of the different cartilage areas in your joints to receive oxygen and very important nutrients from that synovial fluid. So the more walking, the more sloshing around of that synovial fluid, the better flexibility and fluidity of your joints, and overall less inflammation and pain as well. So it's counterintuitive that people don't want to walk if they're not feeling well, or if they feel too achy. It actually helps relieve joint pain. And in fact, there was a study that showed just walking for 20 minutes a day can reduce inflammation significantly. And the great thing about walking is it's absolutely free and easy to get started. You can just start by walking to the mailbox or walking around your neighborhood. Dustin and I target about 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day so that we make sure that we reduce our inflammation, work on reducing that body fat percentage, and just get outside and get active. So in my other videos, I've talked about how to reduce inflammation and the causes of inflammation. But in addition to having these movements and having daily walking, let me give you a few other tips for how to reduce your overall inflammation. You want to get lots of sleep and rest so that your body can recover. You want to be eating clean, limiting refined foods and artificial fats and sugars. And also eating clean is going to give you an abundance of fiber and antioxidants, both of which really help to reduce inflammatory markers in your body. You want to limit your alcohol intake. Just a little bit of alcohol here and there is totally fine. No more than 1 serving per day. Otherwise, it starts to increase your inflammation. And also getting hydrated and drinking enough water each day, which is important enough that I have a whole video on it, and then I'll link to it below. If you're looking for more help on how to reduce inflammation, check out my video on what is inflammation, and I have a 30-day healthy program that is just for you to help reduce your inflammation in 30 days. And I'll see you in the next video.